Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over downloading, installing, and using Guitar Rig 5. This is a guitar amplifier and effects simulator you can use. It takes a clean guitar signal recorded with a direct box and makes it sound as if it were being played out of a guitar amp. It can be used with a variety of digital audio workstations or as a standalone program. To start off, we'll download Guitar Rig 5 from their website. We're going to download the full Guitar Rig 5 demo version instead of the player version. This has all the features of the full version except that it can only be used for 30 minutes at a time and doesn't allow exporting or saving. So open the link in the video description in a web browser, then you'll scroll down and enter your email address. A link to the program will be sent to your email and you can download it. Keep in mind it can take a few minutes for the email to arrive, so just be patient. Guitar Rig 5 is a fairly big file and may take a few minutes to download. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. First you'll need to extract the folder. Then open the folder it created and run the program. Follow the on-screen instructions through the installation. Now that the installation is complete, we can run the program from the Start menu. Once you start the demo of Guitar Rig 5, the program will run for 30 minutes before it will stop processing the signal. Though you do have the option to activate the program as Guitar Rig 5 Player, we don't recommend this since it will disable a lot of the effects and amp simulators. Instead, we recommend using the program for 30 minutes at a time and then restarting when the time limit is reached. The first thing you want to do is set up your audio interface. Guitar Rig 5 has the option to use input 1 or 2 from your interface. The left channel is input 1 and the right channel is input 2. You can switch that at the top here. There are also controls to adjust the input and output levels. Now that the program is set up, we can experiment with different amp simulators and settings to dial in our tone. Generally, the presets on the side are a great place to start. You can also add individual components by clicking the Components menu, or you can go completely custom and not use a preset at all. Finally, there's an option to use Guitar Rig 5 as a guitar tuner. We definitely recommend using this before recording your track. Now we want to take a look at how we can set up Guitar Rig 5 as a VST effect in our digital audio workstation. We're going to open Adobe Audition and tell it to check this folder for VST effects. This process is slightly different for each DAW you use. Unfortunately, we won't be able to cover that in this video, so you'll need to consult the documentation for your particular program to find out how to set it up. Now the effect is added and we can use it with our DAW. Keep in mind this doesn't work with every DAW and it won't work properly with Audacity. Since we're going to use a demo version of Guitar Rig 5, we are unable to export a track. We'll cover how you can loop your audio interface to capture the processed sound from Guitar Rig 5 in another video. Thanks for watching this video on installing and using Guitar Rig 5. If you learned something, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out our other videos on Audacity and different audio effects. To keep up to date on all our content, don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. Links to our social media accounts can be found in the video description.